This is Frank with Car Story, and I'm at the 12th anniversary of the Orlando Cars and Coffee event. And we're going to do a parade lap in about 30 minutes on the Daytona racetrack that you see in the distance right there. And of course, I am here in the Camaro SS 1LE to do the parade lap, and hopefully I'll be able to get to triple-digit speeds, but of course that's not guaranteed. Some very nice cars here. There is a race going on right now. So when they take their break at noon, we'll be doing our parade lap. Okay, let's go parade lap. Hang on. Where's this guy go? Guy's gonna kick up all kinds of crap on my car. They put it in track suspension. Hit driving mode for me. Go to steering. So go to okay, that's good. Steering's fine. I don't need it weighted any heavier. Look, they got like ambulances out here. All right. 92, 95, 97. Put on the AC. Okay, we're gonna slow down. Rev matching, engage. Oh, this guy's recording this guy. He's got a chase car with him. Oh my God. Is this guy gonna fall out of the car? Hit my apex. Gas on the way out, not on the way in. We have a little traffic jam over here. Come on. Cleaning the dust off these wheels when I get home. Oh yeah, a lot of things hit the paint when you're on the track. What, are we warming up the tires here? This guy in front of me, I'm going to do what he's doing. The right-hand drive Skyline. I got my box sliding around the back seat. All right, I don't know what's going on, if they're like slowing us down or what, but man, they got the rescue vehicles out, man. Well, you're not going to need it if we're all doing 30 miles an hour. We're not going to need any rescue. What is going on? Why are we all going so slow? What is there, a pace car or something? It looks like they're all like doing the same thing. All right, that guy just took off. Now they're letting us take off. Look around. We're at the Daytona racetrack, the legendary Daytona racetrack. You're driving on it in a very special car. Slow down again. Jeez, come on, what the fucks? Why are we slowing down? We all have performance cars. Why are we slowing down? This is Frank with Car Story. And I'm doing 38 miles an hour on the Daytona Speedway track. Now we got up there. Got up to 65. Woohoo. Come on, parade lap, let's go. I think that's it. Is that it? Is that all we're getting? Come on, guys. The pedal. Yep. If I could do this alone, without these other cars in the way, I'd be having a great time. This is like, they're just slowing us down. I know. Oh, it's Stewart slowing us down. I think he's the pace car. He's limiting what we can do. All right, well, look, it's not like a...
Trying to keep us safe.
Yeah. It's not like it's a go full out lap. It's a parade lap, so... none of us wearing helmets. They don't know your skill level. They're going to slow you down. I hope I'm not picking up my car too much. I hear a lot of action back there against the paint. Okay, well, at least now I know what's going on. Stewart's managing the speed for everybody. Slowing down again. I hope you're enjoying yourself. You look kind of frozen. I thought you'd be impressed by my racing abilities. Not so much. Not so much. That was it. That's all the time we get. They're telling him. Yeah, they tell him, you know, how much. It ain't up to him. I don't even think I hit 100. I got up to like 98 or something.